Michael Saylor has just lately made some extremely absurd predictions that are going to go viral, and it is likely that a lot of you are going to be shocked by them. What I mean is that he mentioned a Bitcoin worth $13 million. And now we are all aware that a Bitcoin worth $13 million would be nothing short of incredible, but the question that not a lot of people asked was, well, so what would the price of Ethereum be in that scenario? Under those circumstances, what is the cost of XRP? Following our coverage of Michael, we are going to delve deeply into that topic today. This comes after we have covered how he surprised the whole crypto community, as well as the press reporters. Therefore, I really want to dissect it and talk about it some more, because I am confident that it will provide all of you with a great deal of value and a fresh point of view for you to consider. Now, let's get started with the video by clicking the like button, which is the first step. Also, I am curious in your thoughts. In light of the fact that you believe he has completed the 100 hours of study that you mentioned is necessary in order to comprehend Bitcoin legislation, do you have any anecdotal data that reveals exactly what he is thinking about the matter? And if that is the case, what do you explain? I don't know. He hasn't been able to stop it because of the court specifically, but he has certainly attempted to stop it. What do you think the cause of that being? As you may already be aware, I believe that current administration has been fairly conservative in their support of the cryptocurrency economy. They desire to proceed slowly, circumspectly, and methodically. To what extent, however, do they wish to go or do they not wish to go? However, before Gensler's arrival in office, the tone was far more contentious. You may have heard that Jerome Powell, Christina Lagarde, and Gary Gensler all agree that Bitcoin is a speculative digital asset once Gensler took office. In addition, that was a step in the right direction. The approval of the exchange-traded funds ETFs was the second step in the process. In my opinion, it is quite evident that we are all waiting for large banks, specifically bulge bracket institutions, to begin custody and holding Bitcoin. The third major shoe is going to be dropped with that. Are you of the opinion that the election is significant? And do you think that Donald Trump is more accepting of Bitcoin than other candidates, compared to a pair of Biden and Harris? Without a shadow of a doubt, the Republicans have adopted a position that is extremely crypto-friendly. Republicans or Donald Trump, it is Trump. You are able to believe it. I don't think you believe it. To be more specific, the 21st century and the 21st century are in conflict with one another. During the 20th century, numerous companies went public. It took 4 years and cost $100 million to become public. Then, when I was in 1998, I did it. In this day and age, I am able to establish a public cryptocurrency token in about 4 hours for the price of $100. Suppose there are 100 million businesses who are interested in publicly trading an asset that is 1 million times cheaper and 1 million times faster. This is the economy of cryptocurrencies. The conventional economic model requires a period of 4 years and a yearly expenditure of $20 million on compliance. In addition, I believe that the conflicting parties are talking over one another. On the other hand, it is undeniable that the future will be more rapid, intelligent, and powerful. To clarify, if she were to become I've seen her when she was working on major assignments. As I've mentioned before, the political winds have moved, and I would argue that at this moment, the Republicans have shifted to a more progressive position, while the Democrats are moving toward a more moderate position, which pertains to Bitcoin, in regard to their sentiments toward cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. In addition, let us assume that it is a continuation of the administration that was led by Biden and Harris. When does Gensler take on a more significant role? In fact, it gets even worse. I apologize, but that is all about my salary grade. If you buy a car and keep it for more than 4 years, Joe, that is my recommendation to everyone. If you buy a robot and keep it for more than 4 years, and then you think that eventually it takes how much, let's say it is digital gold, what percentage of gold's market cap does it finally take? That is what I would say. I mean, if you buy a car, you keep it for more than 4 years. In the present moment, Bitcoin accounts for 0.1% of the total capital in the globe. I believe that it will be distributed to 7% of the capital, 70% of the total capital. My long-term projection is that it will reach 13 million over the course of the next 21 years. 13 million more than 21, 13 million, but what will it be in 5 years? Within the context of your 4-year calculus course, you should know that it has been growing for approximately 44% of the years with a volume of 40 to 50. I believe that it will continue to move forward at a rate of 40%, then click down to 35 and 30, and then 25, and at some point it will be the SP return plus 8%. And it will be the SP ball plus 8%, because it is always going to be a more global open free capital market hours of stuff that is above your pay grade and you are worth billions of dollars. We are able to assert that it is above our pay grade, but who has the authority to determine whether or not it is above your pay grade? There is a possibility that it is below his pay grade salary, exactly the same. According to this point of view, Bitcoin is an expression that you want to invest in an asset without subjecting yourself to counterparty risk. This means that you do not want to be a counterparty to a nation, a currency, a city, a corporation, a commodity, or a culture. Is it an accurate statement? It is therefore considered to be a risky endeavor. Everything revolves on people's desire to avoid taking risks. They do not wish to speculate on whether Picasso's real estate in New York or Nvidia stock will be more valuable in 10 years. To purchase money is their goal. For all of eternity, they wish to purchase 1/21 millionth of all the money in the world. Even so, Michael, it is there. I am grateful to you. And there it is. The official forecast suggests that the value of Bitcoin will reach $13 million. Now, in order for Bitcoin to progress from where it is currently located, ranging from approximately $50,000 to $13 million each coin, this does not require a tenfold increase from the existing prices. The present pricing do not require it to be multiplied by 100. A little bit more than that is accomplished by these. Given the current market conditions, we are talking about a nearly 200x, or maybe a little bit more than a 200x increase in value. Moreover, it goes without saying that XRP will experience a significant surge in value in the event that Bitcoin's market capitalization reaches several trillions of dollars. In the course of this event, the price of XRP will easily increase from its current level of 50 cents to $100 per coin. Not at all unrealistic, and it's a really bullish point of view for XRP too, because XRP addresses a lot of the market that Bitcoin doesn't. As Saylor was saying, Bitcoin is this free market, investable, very liquid ecosystem that people can put money into and know that it's not going to be manipulated the same way that the US dollar will, or the Venezuela dollar, or whatever other dollar exists in the world that is tied directly to a government. And to add insult to injury, XRP also offers the same opportunity. As supply is available, the liquid is quite fluid, unrestricted access to XRP. It is available to them. The XRP ledger is a place where they can keep it. They know how to stake it. Due to this particular reason, I believe that it would be a grave error to refrain from purchasing XRP at this time. Additionally, it is a mistake to disregard the possibility of initiating long positions on XRP. In addition to that, for those of you who are interested, I am now hosting an incredible XRP tournament for you all. All that is required of you to take part in this competition is to join up for Margex by using the link that is provided in the description of this video. If you are one of the top 5 participants in terms of trading volume during this month, you will be eligible to receive a portion of the remaining prize fund. And this reward pool is only expanding every single day, since a small portion of everyone's trading volume that they are accumulating, along with all of the costs that are involved with that, end up being contributed to this prize pool, fellow traders. If you take a look at this list of people, you will notice that there are 139 rows of people who are present. This means that you are essentially getting all of the money that you have invested back, as well as everyone else who is participating in this competition. I can't believe how many people are participating in this, but guys, pay attention to this. If you want to participate in this tournament, you do not have to trade an extravagant amount of money. All right. In other words, our number one person has 9.23 million in trading volume, but if you trade with 10x leverage, you may get there in a very short amount of time. The fact that I am utilizing a significant amount of leverage has allowed me to trade Bitcoin worth more than $20 million over the course of the past month. Although I am not in competition with you guys, I believe that the current moment is an excellent opportunity to swap leverage for XRP. Thank you for your time and consideration. Follow the link I provided below to sign up if you guys are interested.